Hello guys, in the previous video we saw multiplication by 25. So in this video we are going to see multiplication by 250. We can easily solve this sum in just 2 seconds. Okay, let us solve the sum. Before solving the sum, we can just recall it. Okay, so in the previous video I told you multiplication by 25. We just multiplied this number to 100. We just multiply this number to 100. So in this video we are going to multiply this number by 1000. Okay, if we multiply it by 250, we should take this number and it would be multiplied by 1000. So 1 7 6 5 0 0 0 0. Okay friends, you understood? First step is this. Second step, you just the previous video I told you know off of the digit. You just do that. Okay, so 8 8 2 5 0 0 0, and again you just do off of the digit. So 4 4 1 2 5 0 0. So 4 4 1 2 5 0 0 is your answer. You can just do it in your mental calculation itself. What number, whatever number, you just do it in your mental calculation. It's a very easy and simple step. Okay friends, I hope you understood my video. If you like my video, you just share to your friends. I will teach you many shortcut tricks videos. Thank you guys.